right here, said sit down, right there, don't go nowhere, little baby gon' shake that, 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 said yeah, I like that, bring that, right here, said sit down, right there, don't go nowhere, said yeah, I like that, bring that, right here, said sit down, right there.
This Protocol Rain, some new anime from the season. It's about a gaming. Let's get into it. Episode 6.
しかも一回勝った相手によ。あ
んな余裕な勝ち方されるなんて。
ああ、むつきくんに手も足。
Bruh, the man sent all his mans out as decoys so he could just cook everybody from behind. Wow, that's a good strategy. Bruh, y'all didn't lose on no skill level at all.
も出なかった。
もうくよくよしない。しょうがないよ。向こうはプロなんだし。
Makes sense.
そうそう、切り替えていこう。次で勝てばいいんだよ。次で。
俺は次はもう。
Facts, bro. Like, I'm not doing this no more.
だからくよくよしない。食べて寝て忘れる。あとお風呂入って。
それ全部ストレスなんだけど。
What? Bro, how the hell is eating, sleeping, forgetting about it, and taking a shower stressful? But he gotta care more about himself. I swear to God.
いいからやる。
はい。
ここでみんなにお知らせがあります。残念ながら優勝できなかったので、ここ e スポーツカフェ FOX1 の
I wasn't able to pay off esports cafe Fox One debt with the prize money. Bro, what prize money, bro? Y'all lost. That should just be a given.
借金を賞金によって返済することはできませんでし
Man, let's go full screen, bro. This nigga capping.
た。それって
チームがなくなるってこと？
Super tough.
しかし準優勝の賞金で当面の支払い
Oh, they did. They definitely was second place. To pay installments for a while. You mean what you should have been doing? Because that's how he got in debt in the first place. He was like, bro, forget the bills, but we just gonna win, bro. We gonna win, bro. I'm like, bro, okay. You sound like a big gambler to me.
いはできました。よって FOX1 は営業を継続します。
Barely.
やったー
But y'all be happy as hell about short-term wins, bro. What about 2 months from now? I'm just saying, like. This song hard too, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. 2023 they had some animes with some great openings, bro.
Yo, Shun. 俺爆裂くん。
よ、シュン。俺爆裂くん。
よ、シュン。俺爆裂くん。
That is not what a boy sounds like. Yo. They bugging.
ダメ、違う。シュンにこんなキャラだと思われたくない。
How about you just tell him in person, little baby? Like, you can't just tell him in person? Y'all already on the same team. You might as well just tell him in person.
はい。シュン。
That's hilarious. According to the Discord, it's hilarious.
いや、爆裂くん。まだマイク直らないの？普通に話せたらいいのに。
そんなの私もそうしたいよ。
そっか。まあ、
Peter.
いいか。
Peter? I don't know what the hell that means. Oh, pain in the ass. Shorty, you was there at the finals. You didn't hear about it. Sorry about the finals. We could have did better, Tyson.
優勝できなくてごめん。せっかく応援してくれたのに。
だって。
Bro, I'm not rooting for myself. Okay. I mean, technically you should root for yourself, but like, bro, no. I was there, bro.
強 すぎだよあいつ。
だよね。むつきくんは強すぎるよ。
でもシュンもかっこよかったよ。
サンキュー。
I would say that's not what she just said though. She just typed the most basic version of it. You were tough too.
なんだよそれ。
That's random.
私のこと助けてくれたのはシュンだよ。
それゲームの話だろ。
それでもシュンは私のことを救ってくれたんだよ。あの頃
How though? Oh, okay.
私には居場所がなかった。学校にも家にも。いじめが原因で不登校になった。家にこもると両親は私を持て余した。私はネットの世界に逃げた。本当の自分を
Young Hikimori flow.
隠して別の名前で別の人格で別の人生を歩んだ。嫌なこと全部忘れて。
強いからっていい気になるなよ。
Oh yeah, and then niggas started hating, which makes sense. Which makes sense. You playing an online game, boy. The internet is, the internet might be way worse than people in actual life, bro.
味方なのに。
And then when hell your own teammates start cooking you, bro, they want to have fun too, bro. They want to play the game, bro. There's no way, bro.
どうして。
Got fragged by your own mans.
また
Bro, this game don't got friendly fire on. What the hell?
ゲームに参加すると必ずそいつらが入ってくる。
Haters. It's soon 111,758. Bro, that nigga lame.
また追ってきた。
今日も一緒
Let's have another great game. But you was killing your own teammate, bro. What purpose did that serve? And if they're not on the same teams, then this isn't bullying. I don't know what to tell you. If they're not on the same teams, this is not bullying. This is gameplay. What the hell?
一緒に遊びましょう。
なんで味方を撃つの？
That's a great question. Like, why are you shooting your teammate? That's so stupid. You're just gonna be down on bodies.
いじめはダメだよ。
シュン初めて見る人。
うざ死ね。
しまった。味方を撃っちゃった。
That boy hell. You telling me Shun was there the whole time with y'all and just waited until right then to be like, damn, bro, y'all keep shooting shorty at. What's wrong with y'all? Okay.
知らないと思うけど、シュンは私のヒーローなんだ。
俺はヒーローなんかじゃないよ。
プロになるの？
俺がプロに？さあ、どうだろう。
どうして迷うの？ゲーム好きでしょ？
ゲームは好きだけど、好きになっちゃいけないんだ。
どうして？
3年くらい前、ザクセリオンの
Zach Sedion.
大会に出たのを覚えてる？
あれからシュンと会ってない。
俺、3つ下の妹がいてさ。
We finally about to figure out what happened to his sister. Because at first I'm like, bruh, this is the third anime I didn't watch in a row. After watching Code Geass and then something else, but I was like, bruh, how come everybody's sister's crippled, bro?
事故で歩けなくなったんだ。それが3年前。うち貧乏でさ、地道にちゃんと稼げる職に就かないと。
Yeah, he's right. He's right. I'm saying I don't know how stable game. Well, then again, bro, nowadays gaming is actually probably very stable as a job, but you got to get some type of clout first.
妹の世話できないから、 だから食っていける保証のない仕事は無理なんだ。
Yeah, the only way it's gonna be unreliable income is if you suck or you don't know how to market yourself to get more sponsorships. And then, but yeah, I guess.
そんなのって。
時野谷俊17歳 A 型。
Oh, that's his last name? But is this the first episode that I seen your last name?
ハンドルネームプレイヤーネームともに俊で統一。
Which is crazy, by the way.
3年前ザクセリオンの大会で上
Oh, but he was one of those. Okay, he was one of those.
入賞しながらも突然ネット上から消える。やっぱりね。
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, but you gotta put some clothes on, bro.
思った通りだ。
But you can't just be watching this man butt naked, bro. Drinking gravy. I mean curry. That's weird, bro.
君は僕の世界へ来るべきだよ。俊くん。
This man got a stalker. Yo, what's up with y'all? Everybody gotta get a stalker, bro.
決勝戦残念だったね。準決勝まで順調だったのに。
しょうがないよ。素人の集まりなんだし。
Bruh. If y'all would have figured out earlier that everybody on their team was a decoy, bro, you would have won, bro.
らしくない。
え？
前だったら勝つまで何回でも挑戦してたのに。
しないよ。もう子供じゃないんだから。母さん、これは？
それね、仕事先の人が教えてくれたの。リハビリの施設。
リハビリ。
Oh, for his sister?
ちょっと遠いんだけど、最新の設備が揃ってるの。そこならミオの足も良くなるんじゃないかって。
本当？母さん。
ただやっぱり高いの。保険が効かないし、おそらく長期入院になるから。
いいよそんなの。うちお金ないんだし。
でもね、ミオの将来を考えたら。
だってお母さんとお兄ちゃん今よりもっと働かなきゃいけなくなるんでしょ。
Oh, she's so considerate though, like, bruh. Yeah. Smooth self-sacrifice.
ミオ。
今でも無理してるのに、これ以上無理して体壊したら嫌だよ。
無理なんかしてないよ。
無理してる。それに遠くに長期入院ってずっと会えなくなるんでしょ。そんなの
Aww.
やだよ。
So you gonna have to go to the rehab facility, bro. Cause Shun about to make the money on her. So you gonna have to go.
マジで？
You can see him on TV cause he about to be famous.
ミオちゃん入院させて歩けるようにしてやろうぜ。
Shorty, we are broke. What's up with him?
そんなお金ないし。
金ならある。
ん？
試合で勝って勝ち続けて賞金山ほど
I'm just saying, you do got an avenue to go get the money.
稼げばいいんだよ。
簡単に言わないの。プロのハードルが高いことはよく分かったでしょ。
普通の仕事で金貯めるの待ってたらいつまでかかるかわかんねえだろ。なあ、シュン。
About 30 years.
勝負かけようぜ。
勝負。
ああ、ミオちゃんのために。
ミオのために。
Yeah, bro, turn it up, bro. Cause I'm telling you, bro, if you hop back in that bag, bro, there's no way, there's no fall off. And you at the perfect age too to be cooking when it comes to gaming, bro. Like, come on, man.
おお、今
Actually might be a little too old because he's 17.
度の休みは作戦会議だ。
は？
おはよう、ミオちゃん。
あきとお兄ちゃん。
会いたかったよ、久しぶり。元気してた？いやー、それにしてもミオちゃん浴衣が似合うね。
おい、ミオに慣れ慣れしくするな。
Bro, stop cop.
ミオちゃんも喜んでるのに。
社交辞令だよ。っていうか、これのどこが作戦会議なんだ？
ミオちゃんにサプライズがあるんだぜ。
聞けよ。
今日はなんとミオちゃんの大好きな人を連れてきたよ。
They bought shorty.
はじめまして、ミオちゃん。本物どうして？
俺が無理言って来てもらったんだぜ、ミオちゃんのために。
今日はよろしくね。
偉いだろう俺。
そこまで？
今日はいっぱい楽しみましょ
なんかユウの性格違わない？
But she gotta put on a show, but like, why she trying to join the family?
いつもはもっと雑なのに。
But she
う。ダネコさん。嘘。もしかしてこれってフォックスワン？それじゃあ。
Yo, his sister is a genius, though. That's what I'm saying. Like, bro, y'all let the cat out of the bag immediately because as soon as all of y'all popped out in the same place together, that was clearly the only next conclusion. And like, was it supposed to be a secret?
ユウがファントム忍者？絶対内緒ね。お兄ちゃん、どうしてだ？
Now, why would I tell you when it's supposed to be a secret? What?
待ってたの？
だって秘密にするのがユウがチームに参加する条件だったから。
ひどい。お兄ちゃん、私に黙ってユウといっぱいお話ししてたの？
いや、そんなには。
もういい。バカ、大嫌い。
あ。
Bruv. Like, bro, why do we invite you?
この展開って。ごめんね。お兄ちゃん約束守ってくれただけだから。その代わり今日はいっぱいユウとお話ししよう。それじゃあシュン、予定通りミオちゃんと一緒に出かけましょ
悪いけど頼むよ。
う。やった。この流れならシュンといっぱいお話できる。
She hell.
ユウさん有名人なのに素顔で出歩いて大丈夫なんですか？意外と気づかれないものなのよ。
トライアウトにはすごい変装で来たけどね。
やだ、シュンたら言わないで。
わきも。
Oh, Donnico hilarious, but he's like, bro, bro, why you faking the funk, bro?
引くわ。素のユウを知ってるん。いた
ミオちゃん、おまんじゅう食べる？
That song in the background, vibey.
半分こしよ
よかったな、ミオ。
ミオちゃんの人気全部ユウに持っていかれる。
う。そんなの分かってたことでしょ。
もしミオが歩けるようになったら。
They doing blowing glass? I think that's what it is.
もしミオが歩けるようになったら、ミオはもっとやりたいことができるようになる。未来を選べるうちに、大人になる前に好きな道を歩けたら、そのために俺は。
Yeah, but you might as well just lock in with the video games and go crazy. It's that simple. Like, but you gotta turn it up, bro. How you say you want that and you don't work enough, bro? Come on, man.
トンボ玉綺麗にできたね。よかったね。
ああ、癒されるわ。
足湯いいわ。
そうか？
風呂が嫌いって足湯もかよ。
That's crazy.
風呂入ると疲れるんだよ。
それ入りすぎじゃね？
なんだかいいな。
いいって何が？
リアルの幼なじみ。私学校には友達いなかったから。
そうなの？
うん。だから羨ましい。
そんないいもんじゃないわよ。腐れんよ、腐れん。
付き合っ
That's crazy. Why they gotta be dorks though? It can't be because they game because you game. That would therefore make you a dork. The fuck? Like, come on, bro.
てるんじゃないの？
まさか手間ばっかりかかる弟たちよ。
そうなんだ。
And now you're cooked. And now you're cooked.
そうそう。
She like duly noted, bro.
みおちゃん行きたいところある？
それじゃあ神社は縁結びで有名なとこ。
それいいな、行ってみよう、神社へ。
Come on now. Like, bro, look how much space I got, bro. Stop doing that, bro. Load up, bro. Why would you pray to God for that? That's something that you can control yourself. You should only. Alright.
ミオ、知ってるか？神様は言霊が大事だから、願い事は声に出して言わないと届かないぞ。
そんなの言えない。
Why can't you? Just say under your breath.
お兄ちゃんが幸せになりますように。
ミオがずっと幸せでありますように。
シュンとミオちゃんがずっと幸せでありますように。
Aww.
出た、大吉。何その無駄な運勢。
人生に無駄相撲はないんだよ。
大吉が出ますように。末吉。
The cook.
さっきちゃんとお願いすればよかった。
何今日って、こういうのって全部大吉入れとくもんじゃないの？
俺は自分の未来をおみくじみたいな運任
Says the person who probably got the worst luck ever.
せには頼んねえ。自分の意思でダイレクトにエーマに夢を書くぜ。
神様に頼んでる時点で他力本願なのは変わんなくないか？
いいんだよ、叶えば何でも。俺たちの願いはこれ一択だろ。
おお。
Somebody who got their priorities in order.
これでいろんなこと全部解決だぜ。
Quite actually. I just gotta keep running it up and don't miss. It's that simple, bro.
お兄ちゃん。
うん。俺はミオのためにゲームを諦めてきたけど、今度はミオのためにゲームを始める。
Crazy how that works, ain't it? You try to get away from gaming, and they keep pulling you back in.
それでいいんだ。
That man is a stalker. That man is a stalker. He is stalking him. That man is a stalker.
奇遇だね。君に会えるなんて。
Bro, it's damn near nothing to talk about, bro. Bro, you weird, bro.
決勝戦すごかったね。全然叶わなかった。
君だって強かっ
That man just said his teammates were good in the final. No, they weren't, Nick. He was good in the final. He cooked everybody. He caught everybody. What?
たよ。シュン君はもっともっと強くなるよ。
そうかな。俺しばらくやってないし。
だからだよ。3年もゲームやめていながら復活直後にあの強さはすごいよ。
え？どうしてそれ？
君、未来が見えるでしょ？
え？
Huh? Huh? Bro, I thought this was a regular anime. What do you mean he can see the future? Like he can predict plays? Or you mean he can really see the future though?
プレイすればわかるよ。僕も未来が見えるから。
What do you mean you can see the future? What the hell are you talking about?
だからここに来れば君に会えるってわ。
See? And then it went from gaming to actually, no. He's a stalker. He's trying to cover it up. He's a stalker.
わかってた。君はもっと強くなる。だからもっともっとゲームに集中する
That's actually solid advice from your stalker, bro.
べきだ。そして僕たちの世界でいっぱい活躍するべきなんだ。
俺が
君のこと調べたよ。平均プレイ時間は1日10時間以上。学校が休みの日はもっと。
Damn. 10 hours a day? Nah, bro. He was trying to become a pro for real.
筋金入りのネトゲ配信だね。でも3年前からゼロになった。スピード違反の対向車が車線を越えて正面衝突。相手は無免許、無保険の外国。
The man was driving the wrong way. Clearly. That's crazy. Like, bro, as soon as it said he's a foreigner, I was like, oh yeah, y'all be driving on the wrong side of the road. Well, for us, to me, it's the wrong side of the road, but it's only because I'm in America. But y'all be driving on the wrong side of the road.
父親は長期入院で治療を試みるも回復に至らず死
Dang, RP Pops, man. That's tough.
亡。妹は奇跡的に回復し退院することはできたが、両足に麻痺が残り歩行不能。母親は介護に追われて仕事もできず、収入がなく保険金も底をつき、今貧困家庭。
Bro, that's crazy, bro. Like, bro, you did not have to put all my boy information out there on the street, bro.
母親は介護に追われて仕事もできず、収入がなく保険金も底をつき、今貧困家庭。
I'm confused. Oh, no, that was 3 years ago. Oh, she probably got a job now. But say, how the hell was y'all getting anything done?
どうして？
未来がわかるんだ。過去なんて。
He said, I can see the future. No, your Google history is extensive, bro. You was a super searcher.
簡単だよ。
He the feds.
君がゲームをやめた頃のニュースを調べて事故のことを突き止めた。周囲の人間の SNS と照らし合わせれば大体の推測はできる。友人知人に近所の中に。
Like, bro, he's a stalker, bro.
妹の SNS も参考になったよ。
お前
Punch on him, bruh. Chill.
君はあの日、地域のボランティア活動に参加しないといけなかった。でもその日はザクセリオンの大会があったんだ。どうしても出場したかった君は妹に代わってもらう。
Oh my god. So he feels responsible. Oh, that's why he quit. That makes sense, bro. First I was like, I was trying to figure out how they was gonna connect the dots for it to be like, yeah, but this is basically all my fault. So that's why I'm not gaming no more.
そして父親の運転で現場
Basically, it was supposed to be him. That's how he feels. So it's like
に向かう途中事故に遭った。君は自分と交代したせいで妹が怪我をしたと思い、償いのために仕事と勉強に精を出してきた。
やめろ。
苦しくて逃げたくて。
I mean, it's the truth, though. You can't run away from the truth, brother.
でも逃げられなくて許されたいけどどうしても自分を許せない。
やめろ。
そんな自分。
I mean, the messed up thing is, couldn't he have just not volunteered? Like, could he have just been like, yeah, no, I can't go. Like, he could have just canceled instead of doing that, though. Like, was canceling not an option? It's volunteer work. That means it's voluntary. It's not mandatory. The hell?
自分を戒める唯一の選択が ゲームをやめることだった。
やめろ。
罪悪感から逃げたいのはわかるけど、それって自分を騙してるだけだよね。妹も騙してる。
やめろ
Damn, bro. I actually agree with the stalker. He's spitting straight facts.
もったいないよ。君がゲームに集中できないんだ。
Oh, see, nah, that's where you lost me at. That's where you lost me at. Like, bro, it is what it is, bro.
それは妹も望んでないだろ。捨てちゃえよ、全部。
Like, bro, you cannot tell this man to cast aside all of his responsibility. That is some of the most reckless I ever heard in my life.
学校も妹も。
Listen to what the hell he is saying. He's crazy. No, he's crazy.
すべてのしがらみを。そしたら楽になれるよ。
何を。
僕は今。
He's right. But that is so morally wrong.
ゲームしかない世界に住んでいる。ここは楽しくてとても素敵なところだ。君もきっと気に入るよ。
Bro, you don't walk away from this nigga.
おいでよ。こっちへ。
Come with me. Hail Mary.
おいでよ。僕の世界へ。
He literally did not have to do any of this. Like, don't get me wrong. W exposition dump. But like, he didn't have to do none of this. Bro, he has no choice anyway. He's already committed. He's already locked in. He's doing this for his sister now. You telling him to be like, yeah, bro, you might as well just give it up. What purpose is that about to serve? Except making him not like you. The hell? But that's a good episode, man. Again, Protocol Rain. It's a solid episode. I don't know about that 4.2 though. This episode feel regular. I like that they finally dropped the little twist so we can find out how his sister got into the accident. But besides that, nice little episode. They were just chilling mainly. Let me see if they got anything else. Okay. Yep, that's it. That's the outro. So I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.
Everything I'm seeing, I achieve it, bitch, we best. Everything I'm seeing, I achieve it, bitch, we best. Everything Everything I'm seeing, I achieved it, bitch, you best believe it. It has been my Nintendo since shit, though, kick it with my kinfolk. Haters just be talking, so I really do not need their info. Yeah, they info, Sakura ascending, I'm back in this bitch, hella me pending. Mind on $1 million and I'm needing like every percentage. Feel like Naruto when the leaf is hitting. It's so hard to stay hidden. It's Don Soul sitting out on me mission. What Kabuto slithering, playing both sides in this village. Trying to give you mummy vision like views from the dead. You probably resemble where the tinted victim searching for a Shinigami or a Zilla. This was for the everything I'm seeing, I achieved it, bitch, you best believe it. It has been my Nintendo since it did, though, kick it with my kinfolk.